How to log in into Colorado sales tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this simple tutorial, I will show you guys how you can simply log in into your Colorado sales tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will use Safari. Now on the search bar, type Colorado sales tax login and search for it. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and link will be appeared on your screen. Scroll down until you see the option of sales tax online service. Click on this website on your screen. Now wait for some second and you will be directed to this page. Now here, click on that green button that says sales tax online service. Wait for a while and again you will be directed to this page. Now here you can finally enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. Enter all of your details and click on login option. But in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget your password option. Or if you are a new user, you can tap on register here option. So that's all. In this simple way, you can simply log in into your account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.